Ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to unveil the iconic symbol of romance and Paris city, an actual replica of the Eiffel Tower. May I request Ms. Shraddha Kapoor to do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for the wonderful unveiling of this marvelous, marvelous structure. Shraddha, may I please request you to say a few words?
Good evening, everyone. Hope you guys are having a fun evening. We have our own mini Eiffel Tower here. Paris is actually one of my favorite cities, so I was very, very happy to be called here for this association, Kanakya Paris. How interesting is that? I was just being told that everything is going to be centered around a Parisian theme. The designers are inspired by the designs of Paris. The spa is also inspired by it. I think it's wonderful. If only I could have my own house overlooking an Eiffel Tower, that would be very nice. But a mini one of this is will be here. So I think it's fantastic. It's a lovely theme to go ahead with, and for us to have this. So big congratulations, and very, very exciting this is. And yeah, c'est bon, as they say in French. It's wonderful.
C'est bon. Thank you very much, Shraddha. Thank you. Thank you very much for joining us on stage. We will have Shraddha back with us in a bit.
ये काफ़ी अच्छा है ना, ये कूल है। अरे आपको नींद आ जाएगी, आप अपना यहाँ पे इट्स अ हेडरेस्ट, पोर्टेबल हेडरेस्ट, फ्यूचरिस्टिक फील है। It's quite cool. Hey, you don't have a headrest? So Ken Ferns has made this lovely outfit. Nice, no?
we are also seeing you. Eiffel Tower, like क्या कहोगे उसके बारे में?
आपने सबसे पहले कब देखा था? अगर देखा है तो, अगर नहीं देखा है तो कब जाने का विचार है आपका?
देखा है तो कोई याद
Very
है
precise questions. Very precise questions. I think कि कनाकिया Paris का जो थीम है, obviously the theme is in the name itself. It's a Paris inspired theme. बहुत ही जिनको पेरिस पसंद है और जिन्होंने विज़िट किया है या नहीं किया है, आई हैव विजिटेड पेरिस। मैंने आईफिल टावर 2 बारी देखा है, लास्ट ईयर देखा, और जब मैं छोटी थी तब देखा था, अपने फैमिली के साथ गई थी। तो whoever gets an opportunity to see the Eiffel Tower doesn't get the opportunity to see it, there's Kanakya Paris. You can go and see the mini Eiffel Tower that will be there. Mini Eiffel Tower, cute little Eiffel Tower that is there. Of course, there will be no lift to take you up, but you can see the Eiffel Tower, and it'll be lit and all nicely. I mean, I don't know if they'll light it, but it's lit very prettily today. मैंने remote से उसको light किया, so
It's look interesting.
so yeah, and I think it's really interesting, as you were saying, कि everything to do with the whole experience is,
when you are traveling inside the complex.
yes,
It's like you are traveling in the Champs-Élysées, the street, the garden, the Eiffel Tower, of the tram. All that replica will be coming. Even the entrance lobby, even the elevation, when you see, you feel like you are in a Paris building.
that's amazing. I think it's really cool. Paris is definitely one of my favorite cities also. So something inspired by that also definitely gets me excited, and thank you so much for having me.
Shraddha, we are seeing a lot of involvement in your style.
जी, उनको गुस्सा है, आपने इंटरप्ट किया, उनको बहुत गुस्सा है। आप इंटरप्ट नहीं कर सकते। आप
Please give me a interview later. We have to close the presentation. आपके स्टाइल में हम देख रहे हैं काफी इवॉल्व हो रहा है. You looking better day by day on the red carpet.
Thank you.
Gorgeous. Any specific changes that you've deliberately made?
A very special person came into my life, जो मेरी स्टाइलिस्ट है, तानिया घावरी। तो when we started working together, I think कि हम काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें करें. थैंक यू सो मच. पर्सनली आई डोंट थिंक कि मेरा पर्सनल फैशन स्टेटमेंट या आइडियाज़, मैं काफ़ी लेज़ी ड्रेसर हूँ तो मैं जीन्स और गंजी में और कोल्हापुरीज़ में भी निकल जाऊँगी. तो तानिया मेरी लाइफ में है, तो वो मुझे कहती है कि प्लीज़ थोड़ा ड्रेस अप एंड गो आउट. सो या थैंक यू.
श्रद्धा, आईफिल टावर और पेरिस बहुत ही रोमांटिक जगह बन जाती है. श्रद्धा कपूर कितनी रोमांटिक है, पेरिस में जाना चाहिए.
ये तो पेरिस पे है, सो देन घूम फिर के दे विल आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो अबाउट रोमांस. आई थिंक दैट इफ यू गो, कोई भी पेरिस चला जाएगा वो खुद ब खुद रोमांटिक बन जाएगा. वो रोमांटिक है भी नहीं, ही विल बिकम रोमांटिक. सो या
बेपनाह मोहब्बत किसी ने की हो आज तक आपको, या कोई ऐसी मेमोरेबल शेयर करना चाहिए?
बेपनाह मोहब्बत लास्ट टाइम जब मैंने देखी थी वो मेरी ही फिल्म में थी ना, आशिकी. वो तो मेरी ही फिल्म में थी. वो बहुत ही रेयर, आई थिंक कि वो बेपनाह मोहब्बत जो होती है, आशिकी जैसी मोहब्बत जो होती है, वो बहुत रेयर होती है. एंड आई थिंक whoever gets it is very lucky. Do not let it go.
और क्या इन दिनों सिंगल है श्रद्धा, या
ये देखो, घूम फिर के that is the only question. Sorry.
About, of course, we're talking about Paris, romance, and everything. So that's the counter question I want to throw on you. So are you back?
skipping it.
What's all working?
I have said this since day one, and I'm saying it again, and I've said it 30 times. But we have always been really good friends, and we will continue to be good friends. We have had a very special experience, which has been Ashiki 2, not only for just the two of us, including Mohit Suri. So it's going to be with us for a lifetime. I don't know when you guys are going to तुम लोग कब, when will you guys get tired of asking these questions?
श्रद्धा, you know, if you're talking about
एक्चुअली ट्रैवल करने के लिए किसी बॉलीवुड स्टार मेल एंड तो किसके साथ आप जाना पसंद करोगी?
Sorry, क्या?
पेरिस जाने के लिए
अगर मैं किसी
योर एज आई मीन
पेरिस का अगर आपको टिकट मिले किस
किसी एक
बॉलीवुड
साथ
में
दो लोगों को आपके साथ किसको?
Siddharth, your brother.
See, so smart. पेरिस में किसके साथ जाऊंगी? And he has to be an actor.
एक्टर योर एज मेल
He's given me a very good idea. My brother is also an actor, Siddharth.
And Priyank, both.
So
Shraddha, but
I can go with him.
Shraddha, but if you had to choose a girl pal from Bollywood, who would that be? To go to Paris, a girl's day out or a night out in Paris. Who would you say bond well with in Bollywood that you would like to take to Paris for a getaway?
I think Priyanka Chopra, because I love her. I'm a big fan of hers. So
You know,
I
recently
think we'll do some girly bonding.
Recently we met Sonakshi. She said she would like to go out on a long drive with Priyanka. You were saying you would like to go to Paris with Priyanka. What is this Priyanka faction all about?
Because she's a rock star.
Okay.
That's the bottom line. Priyanka Chopra is a rock star, and she's always been since her first film till now, consistently been a rock star. So I would say her.
So talking about Rock On is on. Shraddha, Rock On is on. You're going to Shillong. Tell us more about it. How it's like.
Very very excited about Rock On 2. मुझे खुद के गाने को मिलेंगे and not just one. I'll have a few songs to sing, so I'm very excited about that. And I hope कि सबको, I hope everybody likes seeing me in the role of a singer and actually singing my own songs. In Ashiki 2 I wasn't able to do that, also because the level of singing was very high there. But I'm training now, so I hope कि I'm good. I hope I'm good, and I hope people
You know,
like
the
it.
Forbes list recently.
हमें घर जाना है. टाइम क्या हुआ? मेरा भी सोने का टाइम है. It's even my bed time now. मैं जल्दी सोती हूँ usually. आरोही
एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस को रोमांटिक मानते हैं और आप अपने आप को कितने नंबर पर रोमांटिक मानते हैं?
Definitely Shah Rukh Khan is the king of romance. And I would like to say that I've done romantic films, no? So even me. Thank you guys. Good night. Sleep well. Thank you.